Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a dance pad on Stepmania. First, connect your dance pad to an available USB port on your computer. Most modern pads are plug-and-play, but some might require specific drivers. Check your pad's manual or the manufacturer's website for any software installations. Once connected, confirm your operating system recognizes the device before launching Stepmania. Now, launch Stepmania and head to the main options menu. From there, you'll want to select Config Key/Joy Mappings. This is where you tell Stepmania how to interpret your dance pad's inputs. Make sure to choose Gamepad as your primary input device. This ensures the game looks for signals from your connected pad, not just your keyboard. Next, you'll map each arrow on your dance pad to its correct action within Stepmania. When the game prompts you for up, press the up arrow on your pad. Do the same for down, left, and right. Don't forget to map your start and select buttons too. These are crucial for navigating menus and starting songs. This precise mapping ensures accurate gameplay. Finally, it's time to test your setup. Start a song and play for a few moments to confirm all your arrow presses register accurately. If you notice any missed inputs or ghost presses, you might need to adjust the pad sensitivity or dead zones within Stepmania's advanced options. Once everything feels perfect, save your configuration to enjoy countless hours of dancing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.